everybody, it's Jedimanda here for another video. This time it's going to be a non-cosplay video, so I hope you stay around because we are going to be making some fashion pieces for myself for the next at least 2 videos, maybe more. I don't know yet. But, so I am just like living in a new fashion headspace and I need pants. I just am kind of out of the skinny jean phase. I'm kind of out of the legging phase unless it's like athleisure wear. And I just want some pants that are wide leg, that fit my cool platforms that I wear all the time, and that kind of have my vibe of, you know, a little goth, a little alternative, a little bohemian, just kind of like boop, 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 peppered in here and there, you know. So, I have prepared 3 patterns, and the cool part about this patterns is that they were free. I don't know if you guys have ever heard, but I have made patterns. Okay, well, okay, excuse me, we need a cat extraction. One moment, please. Okay, anyways, so I am going to be using pants patterns that I got for free off of the Mood Fabrics blog website. I'm sorry, my cat is the most needy today. The cool thing I like about Mood Fabrics patterns is that they are very size inclusive. They have from 0 up to size 30 in pants, which I'm like, hell yeah. They're free, which is great. So you just have to print them off and assemble them. So it does require printer ink and a lot of paper, but I'm saving a good amount of money. And you also, like, they're trendy. I wouldn't say not trendy, but they're just on fashion. They're on point. They're like what everyone's wearing right now. And so I will have the link below in the descriptions for the specific patterns that I'm using, and of course to the website, so you can go browse their free patterns. And they are cool, guys. I highly recommend downloading some patterns from there. They're called the maple culottes. I don't know, but I'm calling them the maple. Here's the pattern, and I'm going to be doing. I have some old black bed sheets that I washed and that are ready, and then I'm going to be layering this really cool skeleton eyelet over top of them, so they're going to be really cool, kind of skelly boy pants for all year round. So it's going to be this on top of this. Cool, right? And the last pants I'm going to be making from the Mood blog is the Aster Pants. They are super wide leg. I wanted like a little classy, a little fun, but bright. And so I found this lovely crushed velour. All this fabric is from Joann's. Obviously the bedsheet fabric is thrifted from my own area, but I will say these pants require 3 to 5 yards, and I just don't have that much yardage in stash, so I had to go shopping. All right, everybody, let's get into making the pants. I already have the patterns assembled. This is what they look like. There's that one. That is the maple one. Behind it is the Liv, and over here behind me, over here is the Aster Pants. So that took me all evening, was assembling the pants. So just FYI, when you do download those pants, just kind of give yourself a whole evening putting together the patterns, because they do take a while. Okay, so let's get into making pants. Yay! Hey everybody, voiceover Amanda coming in here to tell you a little bit more about these pants. So both of these pants that we're making have very well laid out instructions on Mood's blog, where you download the pattern. So I'm not really going to go in here and say, okay, let's put the inseams together, let's do this, that, and this, but the instructions are very easy to follow. Just be patient with them. The only thing you will come into that I think is a problem is when you put in the zipper. When you do get to the part of the zipper for both the Aster Pants and the Maple Pants, the one that I make next, you will have to do a lapsed zipper insertion. That sounds really weird, but it's basically what all pants kind of have, right? Especially right here. I'm actually cutting out the lapsed flap for the zipper. So below I will put a video on how to insert one of those, because in the blog they don't really talk about that. So just an FYI. Also, here I am cutting some belt loops for the Aster Pants. This is one thing that I found in the blog, that the measurement they wrote for it was really tiny, and so I just kind of made my own belt loops by, I think it was an 1.5 by 3-inch little squares that I interfaced and then just put them together and sewed them to the pants. So I don't know why they did the measurement that they did, but they did, and it worked out just fine. So I used invisible zippers. You do not have to use invisible zippers for the pants. You can use regular standard zippers, but I'm just a fan of invisible zippers because I have a cool invisible zipper foot. So I think this is it from here on out. Just follow the directions that Mood has made for each pattern and you should be fine. These pants were very easy to make. Hi, I'm back. So one thing that I found was kind of weird was that I had interfacing sticking out of my belt loop, so I just took a red Sharpie and, like you see here, going over that white interfacing with the red Sharpie. So that's what I'm doing. This might not happen to you if you can encase your interfacing better than I can, but it happened to me, so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm fixing it. Let's talk about the maple pants. These actually I think were the easiest of the two to make. It was only 3 pattern pieces. It was a waistband and front and back pants. So specifically if you're going to use something like I did with an eyelet or some kind of overlay, you'll want to why can't I think of the word? The word is flatline. You will want to flatline the pieces together when you cut them out. So they are basically one piece when you continue to sew them and seam them up. You don't necessarily have to make 2 separate pairs of pants and then put them on over top of each other. You can just flatline the pieces together. So if you are making these pants, both of them, I suggest you start with the maple ones first because they are the easiest and took me absolutely no time to put them in. Okay, we're showing in vertical because there's not enough room in here for me to do landscape, but these are the Aster Pants from Mood Fabrics Patterns blog, I think. Turned out super cute. They're a little tight in the crotch. I might let the rise down a little bit, but I love them. I can't wait to wear them out. They're just really fun, and I like the bright red. And with the t-shirt, it's kind of cool too. This is cute. I like these pants. I'm glad I made them. Plus the red velvet is just so fun, and the belt loops turned out great. They're a little off though, like why this one is really over here and this one's over here. I don't know. New pants! Ooh. I will say I was a little apprehensive with these pants when I put them on, but now I'm kind of digging them. please ignore the shirt. That's the next video. But I forgot to record the outro with my other t-shirt on. But anyways, but these are super cute. Yeah, these are the maple pants that I altered a little bit. They are the double layer skull lace on top of black bed sheets. Worked out super cute. I like these. This is definitely a fit like a glove type of pant. There's no stretch in it, but I kind of like it. I like it. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. I don't do a lot of fashion videos here on the channel. It's mostly just cosplay, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like me to do more, please comment below, and we will get back to regular costume making soon. But for right now, I'm expanding my closet and I'm pushing some things out and making myself some new stuff. So I have a 1-yard shirt video coming up soon and a fashion harness video coming up soon, so stay tuned. I'll see you all next time.